Here's a great deal on a 2016 Jaguar XF. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Jaguar prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power front seats, a headlight cleaning system, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Jaguar ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.